So do you guys know how to calculate the dosage? किसको आता है? तुम लोग मत करना, तुम्हें तो वैसे ही नहीं आता है. Do you guys know how to calculate the dosage? Like 2% lignocaine, उसको हम 20 mg in 1 ml कैसे करते हैं? We calculate it, and I hope ये नंबर तो पता ही होगा आप लोगों को, that there is 20 mg of lignocaine in 1 ml. How do we derive that? पता है? Because there is a possibility that you might receive a LA solution that has a different concentration and you want to calculate, especially the pediatric dentist. They will have a higher value in this. Not higher value means higher value to gain from this, not the values of the dose. Okay, so do you know this? Lignocaine, we're going to talk about lignocaine क्योंकि हम सबसे ज़्यादा वही यूज़ करते हैं. So vasoconstrictor, with vasoconstrictor, maximum recommended dose is 7 mg per kg of body weight of the patient. Okay, so अगर patient 1 किलो का है तो 7 mg dose देंगे, 1 किलो का patient नहीं होता है. So if the patient is 70 kgs, 70 into 7, 490 mg is to be given to the patient. That is with epinephrine. Without epinephrine, without vasoconstrictor, it is 4.4 mg per kg. Why is there a difference in this? Because with epinephrine, the absorption from the site, जहाँ पे हम LA दे रहे हैं, the absorption from that site is delayed. Okay, so it takes a longer time to get absorbed, and the body is continuously removing the LA from the blood, right? So we can safely give higher dosage. Whereas epinephrine, without epinephrine, the LA itself, lignocaine, it is causing vasodilation. Without epinephrine, LA, they cause vasodilation. Okay, so because of vasodilation, there will be higher uptake. The absorption from the site of injection into the blood, it will be higher. So the chances of reaching toxic level are higher. So that is why we give low dosage. Okay. Then there is something called as absolute maximum. उस पे आते हैं. Now, as we discussed, in case of LA with vasoconstrictor, for 70 kg individual में we gave 490 maximum, right? Now if the patient is 100 kgs, कितना देंगे? Calculate करो. 700, right? That is wrong, because there is something called as absolute maximum. Whatever be the weight of the patient, we can't go above 500 mg. Okay, patient 200 किलो का भी होगा, still you can't go above 500 mg of LA. ठीक है, उसके नीचे का रहेगा डोसेज. इफ वी कैलकुलेट, फॉर एग्जांपल 70 kg में 490 आया था, तो वी आर गोइंग टू गिव मैक्सिमम ऑफ 490. उसके ऊपर इवन इफ द मैक्सिमम रिकमेंडेड डोज विद दिस कैलकुलेशन, इफ वी अचीव 510, then also we can't go above 500. Remember this. And in case of LA without vasoconstrictor, the absolute maximum is 300 mg. Okay. Then we have the maximum recommended dose for epinephrine also. Now, in lignocaine, it was per kg. Okay. Whereas in epinephrine, it is per appointment. It is not related to the patient's body weight. It is related एक appointment में कितना देना है. Okay. So in this, in a normal patient, healthy patient, we can give 0.2 mg of epinephrine per appointment. Whereas in a patient with a cardiac disease, okay, then we can give maximum of 0.04 mg per appointment. Okay. So now the question arises, बहुत जगहों पे it is seen that if the patient comes with a history of cardiovascular disease, usually the doctor, the dentist, it uses a LA without epinephrine, है ना? For example, there is a history of cardiac arrest in the patient, 6 महीने हो गए, then we can perform the procedure. 6 महीने से ज़्यादा हो गए myocardial infarction में, we can perform a procedure. Okay. Now, if we don't use local anesthesia with epinephrine, we don't use epinephrine, so the duration of action is shorter, right? Without epinephrine, the duration of action is shorter. So if the procedure, it continues for a longer duration in a cardiac patient, क्या होगा? The patient will have pain, and because of that pain, because of that psychological stress, the patient will go into fight and flight response. Now fight and flight response में what happens is the body prepares for either fighting or running away. Both are physically intensive tasks. Okay, because of that, the adrenal gland, it prepares the body. To prepare the body, the adrenal gland releases different hormones. One of them is steroids, epinephrine. There are other, I'm just mentioning two. Steroids से क्या होगा? Increase in blood glucose level is there because energy demand ज़्यादा रहेगी. And epinephrine, epinephrine causes the increase in heart rate and it causes vasoconstriction. It just increases the blood pressure. So that helps. So that was if the patient goes into fight and flight response, the body releases epinephrine. We are not giving epinephrine, but body is releasing the epinephrine. Now, we had control over how much we can give the epinephrine, but we don't have any control over how much the patient's body is going to release. And that can force the patient to go into myocardial infarction or angina pain. Okay? So, it is advisable even in a cardiac patient to use epinephrine. Of course, within the advisable limits. Okay? So now coming to the actual part, lignocaine and adrenaline. We use this lignocaine, 2% lignocaine, and the epinephrine we use, that is 1:80,000, right? So now this concentration is weight by volume, okay? Weight by volume. Weight by volume का मतलब क्या है कि this much kilogram, अभी मैं किलोग्राम की बात है, this much weight, suppose weight, this much gram, kilogram in this much solution, LA solution, ml or liter, जितना भी बोलो, okay? So we are going to represent the local anesthesia molecules in weight, gram, kilogram. Whereas we talk about the solution, we are going to measure it in liter, ml, okay? So that is weight by volume. And adrenaline be 1:80,000, okay? So now when I say, संभव तेरे टेस्ट में 2% मार्क है, 100 मार्क का टेस्ट है, तो कितने मार्क्स है? मैथ्स नहीं आता इतना, कितने मार्क्स है? 2 मार्क्स है. So 2% means 2 out of 100, right? So 2 out of 100, we can write it like this also, right? चलो. So now we come to an important thing. ये क्या है? It is water bottle, Aquafina. So tell me, what is the weight of 1 liter water? सच में नहीं पता है? 1 kg, yeah. So 1 liter water weighs 1 kg. अगर आप गूगल करोगे weight of 1 liter water, you get this answer. 1 liter is 1 kg or 1 milliliter is 1 gram. So why did I show you this? This is just to show you that 1 liter and 1 kilogram. Liter and kilogram are equivalent units, whereas ml and gram are equivalent unit, not ml and mg. याद रखो. Liter and kilogram are equivalent units and milliliter and gram are equivalent units. So this, now when we talk about 2% lignocaine, we say 2 out of 100, right? So 2 में हमें weight डालना, we are going to use equivalent units. So gram का क्या equivalent unit? ml, right? So we say 2 gram in 100 ml of solution, 2 gram of La molecules. इतना समझ आया? So now 2% weight by volume means 2 gram La in 100 ml. Now 1 gram is 1000 milligrams. So 2 gram is 2000 milligram. So we can convert this to 2000 milligram into 100 ml. And that is how you get the answer. 20 milligram in 1 ml. दोनों साइड से 0 0 2 0 हटा दो. Maths. Logical? I hope आप याद रहेगा. So just we'll put this aside अभी के लिए. Okay? Just remember 20 mg में 20 mg is present in 1 ml solution. Oh, मैंने touch कर दिया. And then we have the maximum recommended dose, that is 7 mg per kg with epinephrine. Now for a 70 kg individual, we gave 490 maximum recommended dose, right? This is what we can give in a maximum. And we don't measure LA, weight. Weight तो करते नहीं हम LA molecules अलग करके. We measure the LA solution in ml syringe में देख के. So we need to convert this mg into ml so that we can measure it. कितना दे रहे हैं हम, right? So to know how much ml of LA that can be given to the patient, it is simple. 490 को 20 से divide करो. So now take out your calculators and divide 490 से 20. What is the answer that you get? 24.5. So for a 70 kg patient, 24.5 ml 2% LA solution can be given maximum. Okay? So now tell me इसका answer. 100 kg individual है, how much mg LA can be given and how much ml LA can be given? Allah naga. 500 mg is maximum, right? अब उसको डिवाइड करो 20 से, कितना आएगा? 25. Okay? So 700 was a wrong answer, of course. Good, आप लोगों को याद रहा. And maximum we can give 25 ml. Okay, so for a 100 kg individual, maximum we can give, that is the absolute maximum, 500 mg, and 500 को 20 से divide करेंगे, we give the ml. Okay, now we come to epinephrine. अभी हम बस 1:80,000 ही देखेंगे, बाकी सारे concentration में नहीं देखूंगा. So 1:80,000 is 1 in 80,000, right? So 1 gram in 80,000 ml. So we convert 1 gram to mg, 1000 mg in 80,000 ml. So दोनों साइड से 3 0 हटा देंगे, and we divide 1 by 80. 1 divided by 80 is this value, 0.0125. ठीक है? So we have 0.0125 mg of epinephrine in 1 ml. Okay? So in a normal healthy individual, we can give 0.2 mg. So if we divide 0.2 divided by 0.0125, so 0.2 divided by 0.0125 is 0.2 mg. समझ आया? So that is the maximum of epinephrine that can be given in one sitting, one appointment. Okay? In a normal patient. In a cardiac patient, we have 0.04 limit per appointment. So we are going to divide 0.04 with 0.0125. So what we get is 3.2 ml. So the concentration of 1:80,000 epinephrine can be given is, that is 3.2 ml per appointment in a cardiac patient. समझ आया इतना? आई होप नहीं? ठीक है. सो अब ये मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगा, ये सारे अलग अलग कॉन्सेंट्रेशन हैं. वी आर ऑलरेडी बिहाइंड द शेड्यूल. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द प्रोसीजर कैसे करना है. So now this is an important part. Now we are giving the solution, right? 2% epinephrine with 1:80,000 epinephrine, right? So in a 70 kg individual, we calculated 24.5 ml, 2% LA can be given. ठीक है, 24.5 ml, but epinephrine can be given is 16 ml only. So whatever is the lower, अब इसमें से हम अलग तो करेंगे नहीं. It is a single solution. So whatever is the lower value in दोनों में से, we are going to give that. So in this solution, 2% LA with 1:80,000 epinephrine, the maximum that we can give to the patient is 16 ml, not 24.5. We are going to go with the lowest of the two. Okay? Because अगर हमने ये दिया, we'll achieve the overdosage of epinephrine, right? So the same thing. Okay. So lowest of the two. So अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ.